Hey guys, General Mechanic. Today, check this out. Beautiful car, muscle car, 2014 Challenger, Hemi engine, stick shift, 6-speed, strong engine. But check this out. Customer says it cut off on him and it wouldn't crank no more. So we done pulled the engine out. Look, man, this thing is clean, man. Man, check it out. No signs of no damage, overheating, oil burnt or nothing like that, you know. Now, we took the bottom pan off of it and we found this. Check it out. You see the connecting rod bolts? And something went really bad with this thing. Really bad.
I did that video yesterday.
Make sure that if your car stops on the middle of the highway and doesn't want to crank no more, make sure you pull the oil pan off and check it out. Like the video, guys. Hopefully in the next video we'll bring something useful and a little more fun. But this is what it is. Catastrophic engine failure. 2014 Dodge Challenger 5.7. Catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.